Hey there everyone, this is Liz and I'm here to show you a quick update about my garden, about what's going on with my garden right now. At the time of this recording it is mid-September, so I'm going to show you where I'm at. I got some new plants, I got some new flowers here that I'm going to be showing you that I just got. Some of them were on special and we always love to have plants that are on special because the season is almost over. So I'm going to show you that, and I have some grasses to plant also, and they've been waiting to be planted for a little while now, so I'm going to finally get that done today. I'm going to share that with you, so here we go. Here are the new plants that I planted. They are in the ground now. As I had mentioned, this one had broke, and so I planted it, and it's giving me some new babies there, so we're all good for that. Flowers are pretty much almost spent. It's that time of year, guys, where flowers are, some are coming out and some are just leaving us. So I got the monarda down there. I got some of this. I'm not sure the name of this here. There's these new plants that I'm not sure the names. And this fluffy stuff here. I have some more of this in my garden, in the side garden. Hang on, I'll back up. There. So this whole area here finally got this done. I wanted this to be done for the fall and for, to get it ready for next spring. Oh, what I wanted to show you though is I got some new, these were on special. They were $4, $3.99 each. And this is the New York, I think these are asters. I think these are, is it the New York aster? Am I right? Are these asters? Let me know. I think that's what it is. So I got 3 of them. These get huge, pretty tall and wide. So got those. I'm getting ready to also plant some fall bulbs that I ordered. So they will be planted in here. I got some alliums that are gonna come in here too. This is the grass that I want to plant. I'm thinking of planting it here, somewhere around here, right there, and then I'll have other flowers behind over here, because I'm gonna have a whole area where I'm gonna be able to go and walk into the back here, where I'll have a water feature some sort, and all of this will be flowers also in that area. And which I had mulched, and I created a path there. I want to do another type of stone mulch path here also. And I planted the catmint over here also. These are my new catmint, but as I'm saying, I think I did that last video was about that. I'm kind of lost, guys, because there's just so much going on. So sorry if I'm repeating myself. We got the blanket flower here that's doing really well. This little bee is having a jolly old time. Get that nectar, honey. Get the nectar, honey. Yeah. Okay, so this is way too huge to be out in the front here. I want this to be planted somewhere else. I'm not sure yet. But when I planted this, of course, I didn't realize how big it would get. I thought blanket flower just meant it was going to be on the ground, low to the ground. What else did I get? I have a bearded iris that I ordered. This bearded iris is planted. Oh, and of course it's all dried out because I ordered it was mail order. So that is planted there for, it will winter over and it will be for next spring. I'm not remembering the variety. I'm gonna have to check that. I started these beautiful, this beautiful butterfly bush is still pushing out some flowers, guys. I gotta come in and cut some of those, deadhead some of those. And it's, I took some cuttings and I'm trying to propagate. So I'm gonna grow them in the inside for the winter and see if I can get myself another few plants, because I would love to fill this area with the same. This is the Pugster Blue, this one. Oh, and they smell magnificent. This is new also, this new sedum. I'm not remembering the variety name. I have it somewhere. But this sedum produces really dark leaves. And that red color just pops. I got these here. Oh, what's the name of these? I know the name of this. I know the name of this. I don't know why I'm not remembering right now. But yes, these are really, really pretty. It's a mix. And this was on special also. So I have a variety of colors. I'm not sure. I see the purple and the white, but I don't know if there's any other colors mixed in there because as you see, all of the seeds, it went to seed. So, and I paid this $10 for all of that. So, wow, that's gonna spread like wildfire. And I put my other catmint here. So, what else? What else? Oh, as for this here, see, another grass on the ground. That's another grass I'm going to plant. I'll be continuing on with the creating the pathways. I have, let's see, oh, my rose bush here. These are my David Austin roses here. I have one beautiful cane growing right here. It has been attacked by those, you know, what do you call those butterflies? The cabbage, something like that, butterflies. Is that what it's called? Cabbage? I think. But you know, whenever I find one, I come around once in a while, I'll find one and I'll go put it on those leaves there. Those are the grapevine, so they'll just munch on that instead. So I just take it and go bring it on that vine. So everything's doing pretty good back here. So this is just my quick update on what's going on in my garden. This one I'm thinking of planting there. I have some, what are those called again? Oh, delphiniums. I have those delphiniums there, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'll just plant that here, toss it over maybe a little more down deeper there. So, but I love these delphiniums. They're just beautiful. They're pink coral. What else is going on? This is doing well. My client gave me some of these hostas, doing well. Someone came in and had a few munches here. I have that there. I don't know what this is. She gave it to me, but I don't know what that is. Does anyone know what this could be? Oh, they look like, they're growing flat like that. Not sure. Big leaf hydrangea here. She gave me one of these here. And of course, it's fall, so everything's kind of turning wonky colors, right? You've got some oranges going on, which is totally natural, but it looks healthy and happy. And these are delphiniums also, right? Right? These are coming back out, but they're a lot tinier than what, like when the first bloom comes around. They're not as big as the first bloom, so this is the second flush that I'm getting here. But I just love that color. They kind of look a little, I don't know. Did anyone go and chomp on your leaves? I don't know. But anyhow, that's what's going on. My beautiful sage is just magical. I love Russian sage. There will be more in my garden for sure. And these are going to be moved around. I'm taking these out and I'm going to put that into the side where my side garden is. These are my golden matrix Asiatic lilies. Got some balloon flowers there. There's one there, and one that's hiding back here because this just monster just grew right on top of it. So I got to move that to the side garden also, and I'm going to have to plant other plants. So that's where we're at. I got those grasses there that just fell that I got to plant. These that I'm going to plant, and the one in the back there. So let me, hang on. I'm going to go get my shovel and I'm going to start getting these into the ground before frost comes.